In this objective question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option mentioning the correct match between the phylum, reproduction and example. For this, let you avoid the wrong option to specify the correct option. Why we are avoiding option D? Why? Because Phytophthora is a type of algae fungal or Phycomycetes. They possess septate and coinocytic mycelium. That is the reason why we are avoiding option D. Why we are avoiding option C? Why? Because agaricus is a common name of the mushroom, is a member of Basidiomycetes group. Rather than being parasitic, this fungi are saprophytic. A form of the fungus called mucor is found in plant leaf and soil. They are sexually reproduced and fall within the Phycomycetes category. That is the reason why we are avoiding option B. Why we are choosing option A as a correct answer? Why? Because Alternia is classified as Deuteromycetes, which are also referred as imperfect fungus since they are reproduced asexually or vegetatively. With this specification, we are choosing option E as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.